Hey guys, this video is gonna be sponsored by my friend Josue. He had this Memphis Sub just sitting around. It's used already. It's pretty beat up, so we're gonna go ahead and put on a stress test, see how much power it could take. All right, so we're gonna go at 35 hertz. It's not warm or anything, but it's still holding up. All right guys, so this time we're gonna try it at 30 hertz. I'm gonna keep putting the volume up. Try 40 now. Still holding up. All right, this time 45 hertz, and I think this one's gonna do it. Yeah guys, so it smells pretty hot already. It smells like the glue's already getting super hot, so it's gonna be it for this.